So guys, I'm really bored, so I thought I'll do this video. I'm going to go upstairs and give you guys a squishy tour. There's quite a few doubles, so. By the way guys, I have 49 squishies. Not by the way. Okay.
Been a while.
Oh, my favourite YouTuber is the text person and Rosie Pickett. Kind of Lexi H. I don't know her anymore. Right. Okay. First squishy. Really fast rising. Kind of ombre strawberry. Second squishy. Unicorn cake. A Orbeez kind of thing. Got a really cute little pineapple. It's really slow rising. And I've got this. It's like a really nice little milk. And then I've got this like mermaid cake, but the tail. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. My mum's going to work. Okay. Bye. That's cringe. Okay. And then I've got this avocado. I love this. Got this poo-poo kind of one. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. So cringe. And then I've got this little cake. It's really nice, actually. I really like it.